we've seen how, in some compressed air systems, with a large presence of oils, we must replace the standard black O-ring in EPDM, and use, on the other hand, O-rings made of FKM-FPM, which are red or green. These types of O-rings are used for industrial applications, as in circuits for oils and hydrocarbons. Due to their high resistance to these types of compounds, we can replace the O-ring in large-sized fittings like this one using our hands. We must always be careful not to damage the fitting. For more information on the procedures, you can watch the video, How to Replace the O-ring Without Damaging the Fitting. As we have already seen, the O-ring must only be replaced with O-rings supplied by Euro2B. For more information on the use of the various types of O-rings, you can consult the Euro2B press fitting technical manual, Table 4, on page 18, for stainless steel, Table 7, on page 21, for carbon steel,